How's it going, everybody? It's Kamdorian. Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for clicking on this video. I appreciate you. We are almost at the goal of 400 subscribers, so please hit that subscribe button and help this channel grow. I'm going to be putting out lots and lots more videos this summer, so don't miss out. Today I'm going to be doing a swap out of these chrome silver looking brake lever and clutch lever. Obviously I'm going for that all black look, so that chrome or silver, whatever it is on those levers, really just stands out, doesn't look that great. So we're going to be replacing it with this bad boy for the brake side. It's got a nice little Vulcan S logo on it. Got these from Amazon, pretty inexpensive, and it basically just comes with the two levers. Nothing else, no instructions, no wiring. It's supposed to be a pretty easy install. So yeah, for the brake side here, you just remove that one screw, and then underneath we have one bolt. So you're just going to remove that. You just pop it in, screw it back on, and then your brake side is done. The clutch side is a little bit more complicated, obviously, because you have the cable for the clutch that is fed into the lever here. So we're going to disconnect that. We're going to remove this bolt that is underneath here. There is a bolt right there. We're going to use a socket wrench to get that out, and it should be a pretty simple job. So let's get started. Alright, so the top is obviously just a flathead screwdriver, and the bottom is a number 10 socket wrench. So let's get that removed. Yeah, so once you loosen the bottom bolt, the screw just becomes loose on top. You just pull that bolt right out. There you go. You got your bolt and you got your screw. Let's put that to the side now. This just comes right out. Easy. Easy peasy. Got a nice little bug right there. And we do have some, looks like some gunky, rusty, goopy crappy. So I'm gonna definitely clean that up before we put the new lever on. Yeah, you also want to make sure that whatever gunk and crap you have in there, you want to just basically make sure you clean all that up, because that looks like it's kind of a little bit rusted. So I'm gonna clean that up, probably put some WD-40 or something in there, and then we're gonna put the new one on. Alright, so we got it cleaned up. Luckily it wasn't rust, it was just residue. So now we're gonna put on the new lever. And it's that easy. It is on. Just gotta tighten it up. Yep, that's it for the brake lever. Works nicely. You also have this notch here to adjust it, how far out you want it. So 1 is the closest, it seems. Yep. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, that's 6. So yeah, it's a pretty far distance there. I'll probably keep it on 1 just because I like the shorty. Alright, let's move on to the clutch lever. Alright, so this bolt is also a number 10 socket. There's a trick here though, because it's a really small tight fit in here to get the socket wrench in there. So you want to put this setting for the clutch lever on 1, so there's the biggest space in between, and you got to really jam that wrench in there so it fits. And then once you get it in, it obviously comes right out. And there is the tiny little bolt. Alright, next we're going to loosen the cable here. So you want to loosen as much as you can. So there's a lot of free play. Alright, so you're going to remove this bolt right here. It basically just comes right out after you get that bolt out from the bottom. Or washer or whatever you want to call it. So now this whole thing just comes right out. And you see you've got that wire, which is your clutch cable. We're gonna make it a little looser if we can. I guess that's the loosest we can go. So you basically just, you see the clutch cable basically runs through here, through the slit and down, and there's a little circular, I don't know, ball or something there at the end of it that keeps it in place. So you basically just want to reverse the motion of it going in, right? So you're gonna pull it up, the rope is now here, and you're gonna pull it forward. And alright, so I guess we gotta adjust this a little bit. Yeah, so now since we had adjusted the knob here to 1, we need to now open up this hole. See how it's blocked? It won't come out. So we gotta open it up, and now you can see there's plenty of space for it to come out. So there you go. That is the old clutch lever. So one thing I did see is that there's this insert in here. I'm taking this insert out because I think oh, that's pretty gunky. Pretty sure I'm gonna have to put that insert into the new lever. So this hole right here has proper threading for the bolt. Alright, so this is the bronze cylinder that was in the old clutch lever. Took it out, just used a screwdriver or even the bolt that was in there. Now as you can see, this hole is much bigger than that hole, which is gonna have the bolt, which you're going to tighten from the bottom. So I'm pretty sure this is needed to go in between here like that, and then you're going to pop it in, and then you're going to do the bolt. But before we do any of that, we are going to put the wiring into the new clutch lever. So you're going to pull the wiring a little bit there. You can see that wheel thingy, and stick it in the hole there, and you just want to get it to wrap around like that, and now it is in. And you can just go like that and turn it and pop it in here. We're gonna put this in, and then we're gonna slide this in here, line up the holes, get the bolt. Make sure you line up the holes, get your bolt, put it in. There we go. A little jiggle. Alright, there we go. Yeah, we just had to make sure it was lined up on the other end, and now it is completely through. It's completely flush. Well, now it's completely flush, but yeah, get the idea. Now you're going to use that bolt on the bottom to tighten it up, and you are pretty much done. Get your socket wrench, tighten it up. Alright, so one hand is going to hold it down, other hand is going to tighten it. Alright, it looks tight enough. So we got to also need to readjust the free play. Of course, make sure you tighten it after you adjust the free play. And just like the brake lever, you do have adjustments here that you can make. So it looks like 1 is the closest. So I'm going to leave it on 1. Yeah, it works fine. So the clutch is obviously installed. It works nicely just from here I can see, but you want to make sure that down at the actual clutch on your engine that it is engaging. So we're going to follow that clutch cable all the way down, it goes through a bunch of wiring there, blah blah blah. And so this is the clutch cable right here, and it comes and it goes right here. So this is your clutch plate right here, and this basically connects to the cable. So this arm moves when you pull on the clutch. So right now I'm pulling on the clutch, you see that arm is moving, so the clutch is being engaged. Now, is that enough engagement for the clutch to fully engage? I'm not sure. Only way I'm gonna know is if I take it on a ride. So I will be doing that next and confirm that it is good. Now, if it is not good, it's not engaging enough, then you just need to basically come back up here to your clutch cable adjuster and make this tighter. So the tighter you make this, the essentially shorter that wire is, or tighter it is, and the more it will engage that arm to make sure your clutch is engaged. Alright, so that is done. That was a very quick mod, super easy, looks beautiful. Got the Vulcan S on the brake lever, blacked out, and we got the Vulcan S on the clutch lever. Beautiful, very easy to do, and it gives it a nice blacked out look, gets rid of that chrome. And they're also shorties, I think, so they're a little bit closer, they're shorter in length, so the previous ones were like, I guess, out to here. And they just look cleaner, sleeker, sportier, and just very nice. So now that the new levers are installed and we have a nicer, cleaner look, the only thing left to do is get rid of these hideous, ginormous mirrors. Basically obstruct the whole view, not really, but they just don't look that great in my opinion. So we're going to be replacing them with these bar end mirrors from Fender. So they are like kind of diamondy shaped, and yeah, they're pretty nice. So we're gonna put those on the bar ends. I'm hoping that I can put them underneath here, so kind of like, you know, downwards like this, but I am worried about the clearance with the gas tank here, so we will see how that goes. Otherwise they'll just be kind of sticking up like this, which will still be much cleaner than these huge ugly ones. So that's it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to hit that like button, give it a nice thumbs up. Also please subscribe, help the channel get to 400 subscribers, and I'll see you all in the next video. Peace.